Okay, guys. All right. Let me give people time to jump on. Let me see. Let's see. Richard, can you check to see if I'm live on TikTok there? Oh yeah, I'm live. Richard, check on Tamana. TikTok.
And did you feed them? Did you feed these animals? Did you feed these animals? Oh, you can test them.
I missed my entry, but that's okay. We're gonna get a next entry. All right. Please, Tamana. Yes. All right, guys. I don't know.
Yeah, I've seen
what
it.
people jumping on.
Yeah,
Guys,
Kelly, I've seen one.
first time I'm testing this live. I am testing it live for the first time. So if you're jumping on, I'm actually trading live right now, and it's something that I'm setting up. And just to show people what we do, how we have been doing it. I just missed my entry trying to set up live trading, right? But I'm live right now. I have my kids in the background, but that's okay. You could watch what I do and how I trade. Okay. So I'm looking for an next trade at the moment. So Shakila, you can put it out in the private group to the team that I'm live, and if they want to jump on and watch me trade live, right? Because I know a lot of them have been waiting for us to trade live. Richard, Rich is right there too. Let's see what's happening. I just missed my entry, guys. I saw this entry right here. I know I just missed my entry, but that's okay. I know. I was trading the 30 and the 5 minutes. The 30 minutes confirm it, and then the 5 minutes I didn't. That's what I said. I just missed the entry. Yeah. So I'm waiting now to get an next entry, guys. All right. So there's just how I chart. I look for my charts. Watch where we teach most of our students what to do, what to look for. So I did buy it down here, made money this way, but I was waiting on this retest to confirm it was a retest. So that was the entry I missed just now. All right. So now it's like I'm sitting on my hands waiting on the next entry. Literally. All right. So this is the 1 hour candle here. It's still bearish on the 1 hour, 30 minutes. This. Yes, that's why I like in the trade. So let's see what we're going to get here. No, I'm on my side. All right, so this was my trend line I had here. So I got the trade up here. I knew it would have stopped here after this candle closed. So I took profits. Then it dropped here. I knew it could have closed shorter, but I was waiting. And then I called Shakila. So I end up missing my entry here. So now I have to wait on the next entry. If he's not using that, turn off that for me, please. Let me put on my mic so I can actually. No, I can mute the noise in the back. All right. Okay. Let's see if my mic is on. Hold on, guys. I'm now setting up my mic. Okay, my default mic. Great. All right. Watch Millionaire Kelly trade live today. I did make some money already. I'm actually, let me see the percentage I'm on. Let's see how much I made today. How are you? I'm great. I made almost 3% with not even the main move I'm looking for right now. So if you guys are asking me questions, I'm not looking at the chat. I have Shakila there that could help me watch the chat. I am just focusing on trading right now. Shakila, you could unmute your mic. You don't have to put on your camera, but you can unmute your mic if somebody asks a question and read it out to me if you want, right? All right. All right, 50 minutes just came out.
All right, no problem.
I just need a focus. First time I'm testing this, guys. I've never traded live. I always trade. I always have classes and stuff, but trading live is something that I'm testing out. So I just need to concentrate on my trading. You just need to watch. Once you're in my class, once you're in the education, this is to help you what we look for. Right. So sometimes we get entries for 50. We missed the 11 o'clock entry. Right. Okay. So, yeah. So while I'm testing out this, I'm testing out, what I'm looking for. Okay. Do I have any new? So this is QQQ I'm trading here, right? Which is stock options. And a lot of people are asking me, I trade Forex too, but I've slowed down a little bit with the Forex. And I've been trading stock options a lot more this year. And why is that? It's because it's much, much, much more profitable. I don't have to stay in the market too long. You learn one strategy. Forex have multiple strategies. You could overtrade in Forex, and that's what makes a lot of people especially fail or back and forth. Let me just say fail, back and forth in profits. My goal as a trader is always learning to stay profitable every week and every month. And I'm getting better and better doing that. I'm not saying I don't take losses, but when I watch the market, even though if I take a small loss, most times I make it back almost every day. So I've learned to stay profitable almost every time I'm trading. I still take losses sometimes. I jump in too early sometimes within a trade, but I make it back sometimes within the same day. Right? Shakila did. She sent a link in the group, private group. Oh, yeah, you could. That was a nice retest there. Yeah, so guys, you could share the link for people. I mean, a lot of people have been messaging me, asking me how it works, what I do. And simply it's just learning certain confirmations, learning. I know, babes. I was just watching it just now. It did an inverted hammer on 3 minutes there now. Right. So it did a higher, yeah. I missed this. This was the best entry to get there now. So now I have to wait on an entry. I could have gotten on that 50 minutes. I love in what I'm seeing. So this is where the patience comes in. So you don't jump in too early, right? You don't jump in too early. And then, so if you miss the entry, you always get a second entry. So around 11, so this gave me an entry here around 10:30. The 11 o'clock candle came out. I should have gotten there and took that trade up. I would have make my 10% for the day with this move alone. Just this move alone. 10%. Right? So that's why I like in stock options. Right? You see money much faster, but your entries have to be on point. You cannot be in and out like Forex, and that will teach you discipline. And that's what most people lack in trading, the discipline. And I even still work on discipline. I'm still working on my discipline a lot, to keep sharpening my axe, keep getting better and better and better. right? And I see when I make mistakes, I try not to repeat the mistake, because that's one thing in trading. You will always make a mistake and be okay with that. Just know you should not be repeating the mistake over and over. So, right, so the educator who have been following with the stock options, and now I could teach a lot of my students, what we see, what we look for, and how to help them understand what she's teaching, because we have the experience in trading. The only thing I did not understand when I first started stock options was learning the broker. So you see the broker here. I'm not sure if you guys see my broker. Are you guys seeing the broker? No. Oh, I have to share my entire screen for you to see the broker. Right? But right now I'm only sharing the chart. I should have share my entire screen. I need you guys to see the broker and all that. But yeah, so Jessica is a boss. She's a boss. And I tell people you should always stay as a student, even if you know how to trade. If you're not profitable consistently, you should always stay as a student. I'm still a student. I'm always a student, because something could add to my trading style that's going to make me even more profitable today. And that's why I've always stayed as a student. I always keep learning and growing, and I'm always looking to get better and better. I don't care. I tell people, if you don't pay for education, you'll pay the market. You'll consistently pay the market to keep learning. So you'll be back and forth paying the market instead of paying education. So I decided to pay for knowledge too. And I will keep paying for knowledge, especially if it's adding to me. And that's what I saw when we partner with Iconic. And what we do in conjunction, and what we do is making people profitable much faster as a trader. I see. I'm only 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes. Hangman there. So that's why it's coming back. So now I have to wait on closure, candle closure. So now it's 11:21. So I wait. I watch the time. The time of the market is important. So right now the 30 minutes, you see it's bullish out of there. I'm looking to see if it will come back. That's why I have this line here. Will it come back and retest this 30 minutes candle here? Or the zone that I broke out from, right? Is right here. Refresh or just say click save? I didn't save. I'll click save first, but I know. I now got it. I got it. I got it. Yes. I know. Refresh my page. Yeah. All right. So what I'm liking here is this. If this hole here, because this is coming down, right? This is a down. So I like to see patterns like this, down, down, down. So I like to trade certain patterns too, with confirmation. So while you see certain patterns, you trade it with a certain confirmation. So you see this core line I have here, that is if it break above, that's a confirmation. Trend is changing, right? But if I look on a smaller time frame, it did a higher low. So that's a confirmation for me to know that it's actually not going lower. So when I see things like that, I could remove this trend line because it already break this trend line for me. And what I will do, I could pull a trend line from here now, like this. All right. So it's going up higher now, higher, right? So that once trend is changing, and now I have a bigger trend line for it to come to break. I use trend lines, but not that often. But break of trend line, just give you confirmation. And it's this, that W on the bottom here, that's what I'm liking here too with this trade. So now in 6 minutes, the next 30 minutes candle is going to come out. 30 minutes candle. So right now, 30 minutes candle here. Let me close my sidebar. Right now the market struck.
On the 5 minute bullish.
So it's bullish on the 5 minutes right now. So if this confirm as a W, it's going to go up. So now I just have to sit on my hands and wait here for confirmation. So if I get a 30 minutes candle closure and it starts to retest down first, I'm going to watch for that too. All right. Let me stop sharing my screen for a little bit because I want to share my entire screen. Stop. Yeah, when I'm going to place the trades. No, do it on the option chain. No, option chain, it should be fine. Hold on, guys. You guys can ask me some questions now since I'm just waiting. But I hope this live is going to help a lot of people, especially a lot of my students. Right, a lot of people who
won. Till we know that the next volume, so we're not rushing.
No, like this one, right? It did that.
So if you don't get a trade now, we jump back on that one. It's a 1 o'clock.
Window, entire window. I guess I could share my entire window. Let's see. Tab, window. All right. So I'm sharing my entire. Oh, I'm seeing it there too. Cool, cool, cool. Tell me if you've seen it. I just shared it. Good. That's all right. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. And now change it. All right. So let's see. 50 minutes. So now because I missed this entry, I just have to wait. I have to wait. This is where the patience comes in. Waiting. So 4 more minutes for the next candle to come out. So even though if I did rush the trade, seeing it going up, you see how it's coming back? That's why you don't rush to take an entry. You wait for the market to confirm. Let it show you what it wants to do. Where can I open that? I don't know. You had it open on this computer before? I had it on my computer. So this is the broker, right? So Charles Schwab's. So let me tell you, this is fully regulated, guys. You see, stock options is fully regulated. It's not like Forex, right, where the banks is, let's say, giving you problems, right? This one is fully regulated. You could deposit money from your account, your bank account, straight to the broker, right? Charles Schwab is a regulated, it's actually a bank account, a bank too, right? And then we could also get cards. We could get cards connected to our bank for our trading account. So when you make money here, you could put it onto your card and spend. So if you travel, so why not try to make US dollars if things are getting so expensive? I'm talking about the Caribbean people, right? And there's a way to make US dollars, learn a skill that nobody could take from you. Once you learn this once, trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. So let's see how this candle is going to close. See why I didn't rush it? Look at this. It showed me that this 5 minutes. Yeah, I have a line. I have a line here. Yeah. So, yeah, I see the arrow. So now we have to confirm this is a retest and not for it to keep coming down. So, because on the higher time frame, if you look, it's still bearish here. Right? Let me block. Watch this. It's still bearish. So when I look, I trade the higher time frame, confirm stuff for me. So once I get confirmation in the higher time frame, I just go down in smaller time frame to trade what I want to see to. So the 30 minutes did spinning top. That's what sent it up, and it retest underneath. So if you look at it, this was underneath. So it's still bearish. It went underneath on, yeah. So it could give, yeah, the 5 minutes, yes. Yes, I could have sold it. Because it's still bearish, it's still underneath. Do the 5 minutes candle, let me see. No, it went in the box still. It still went in the box. It went in the box and you sell. So I see this 15 minutes. Now look at the 15 minutes candle. Bearish again. Seeing that? There's no, a 15 minutes candle come out horrible. Come out for sell. So if I don't see buys, I'm gonna look for sells. Yeah, but the 15 minutes start pushing up first. So now I need to wait. Oh, the 30 minutes came out. Let's see how the 30 minutes came out. Oh, is that an inverted hammer? What should I inverted hammer? 30 minutes. But that won't make the 30 minutes go up. When I saw the spinning top, but it will retest down first. Actually, no. Inverted hammers could go straight up if it feel like. That was a nice. I didn't even see the 30 minutes. I came back and retest right where I wanted it to come back and retest my dotted line. I drop a dotted line right there, no? No, actually, dotted line was higher, lower. I wanted the dotted line. Yeah.
But it's in between no mass between the core
right there.
Put some trade in a zone right now. Once it breaks up on the core, see the structure slowly trying to change.
Yeah. So if this structure keep going high, doing higher highs, I'm looking for buys. If it don't break down below, which I'm liking. If I saw the 30 minutes, the 30 minutes is an inverted hammer. That's why it went up immediately. That was a nice buy there on the 30 minutes. I did say I was looking at the 30 minutes candle or no.
You need to put on this one chart on 4 charts, but time for 2, 5, 15, 16.
No. I need to do more smaller. I need to do my charts to confirm it. No, not like no. I don't do 4. I do smaller time frame and the bigger time frame, 50 minutes and 30 minutes. So all right, so I missed that entry. That's okay. Again, the 30 minutes did come. With the 30 minutes candle confirmation, that's why it went up like that. Yeah, I normally wait on a 50 minutes candle confirmation. So when I saw the 50 minutes come out like that, I didn't look at the 30 minutes because the 1 hour is still look at the 1 hour. So if it comes out above, that's even more confirmation. So I am waiting. I needed to charge my headset, so no. I could have charged it, but nobody's talking anymore. I need to charge this headset. Oh, it's charged. Oh, nice. It's in charge. Do we have a AV jack, babes? A AV jack. Let's see. I need to connect. Yeah, I do sit down like this time right now. If I can get a trade, I will wait till about 12 something to confirm it. Because now the money that I made earlier, which was fine. Am I connected to my thing? Yes, it connected. All right, great. I need the AV jack to connect to the mic. I'm liking the buys. I'm liking buys. This is connected to the mic. Yeah. I can't hear Shakila. Shakila was talking to me. And I forget Shakila's talk. Shakila talking to me here? Yeah? Yeah, my mic on. I need the AV jack. Get me the AV jack now, Biz. It was with the speaker that you went on Saturday. The AV jack that you had on Saturday. Yeah, for the get the thing from my please. The two the two connections to go into a headset. It might be in the the black bag. All right. So, right. So look in the suitcase and it's in the bag. Yes. So Shakila just now I'll hear you. I'm trying to get Richard to help me with something.
Oh, it's Rich. Hello.
Rich. The Rich.
This?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, go for it.
Guys, go follow Rich. The Rich. Trust me.
Well, without some stuff, I'll see you. That's what it is. I know what you want.
Talk Shakila, let me see. Mm-hmm.
Somebody take off this freshener. I have this freshener on. Take it off.
No, Shakila, you're on mute your mic. Let me see.
Romita, if you need bad,
On the phone, Carol.
Oh, you're okay. I hear you. Good. I'm not hearing not through the mic.
yeah, super more.
Oh, all right. 2 minutes. So this is my 2 minutes time frame here. 5 minutes, and this is my 15 minutes time frame here.
That's my three testing box that we have been practicing. It's, wow. Oh, we had the box shifted around. I shifted the box back to the first 5 minute time.
I saw you did that.
So in case it break up, I'm going to on top to that and next.
Trade.
Yeah, I feel we'll get it coming in, so the market just setting up.
I like
5 minutes looking good.
5 minutes, or 2 minutes, you mean?
But you know, we're testing it, but now I don't treat it. You see this time,
I know.
you have to be patient. This is our drawn out period right now.
All right, so guys, in the next 15 minutes, I think. But if this 15 minutes close like this, there's a nice candle, eh?
But this is not the time. Okay, but yeah, if you get
Because the 30 minutes showing it already right now,
if you get
too.
trade, if you get trade, you got buy. I take a buy. Because it's coming.
Go my daddy. Mommy live.
No.
What?
Time for 10 hammer. 25 minutes.
You see?
Another 5 minutes. 10 hammer. Richard board, guys. I didn't buy. Richard board, guys. And put this up right below. I was distracted on my chat. Yes, I bought that. 5 minutes. Can't you be mommy? You know, mommy have to trade. What? You can buy content.
All right. I'm gonna put my phone on silent. My phone is be going off. Everyone will be messaging me. All right. Let's see. Coming back down. Coming back down. No, it hit the ceiling, but I still like the trade because what time frame is this? I have here. All right, so the 15 minutes still like this. All right.
Yes. What? What? Let's see.
All right, that was our next nice retest there.
Was it?
I think so. I think it will go up before. So that's what's going to happen. This is going to be a 1 hour inside bar. If this is a 1 hour inside bar, ooh, good. I'm loving it. I'm loving the trade right now, but this is where you need to always enter on a retest. Always enter on a retest. All right, let me put one screen for now. I use multiple screens just to confirm. Yeah, the time of the market right now, there's a 4-hour candle going to come out. Let's see the 4-hour candle. It's still bearish. So the time of the market is very important.
Should have started like 3 around 1 o'clock so that we just see a big one.
I'm thinking to jump off live and then come back on around 12:30. That's when 12:30 you should get entry or more confirmation. So right now it's just really sitting in your hand, letting the 4-hour candle come out now and don't rush the trade. So when I rush the trade around this time, oh, nice. What time of frame is this? Spinning top boy, 5 minutes. I know the 4-hour is coming, so I have to wait on that 4-hour candle now because it will give a retest. It will give a retest. It will give a confirmation. So you see 5 minutes here now. I'm liking the 5 minutes candle. So I think what might happen, you can break out and then come back and retest. Just now there.
Yeah, I was on stuff. That's not easy, right? But it didn't give that.
It didn't give my entry. The 30 minutes was the confirmation.
Oh, yeah.
The 30 minutes was the confirmation, not
But now it's at the high.
not the thing.
So it's different for you. But it should have to be low.
My stop loss.
But it should have to be on your test. That's the job there.
Correct.
It's stuck with a middle.
So it retested here once, retest here twice.
So now it could sell from here too because this could be a flag.
Yeah, this could be a flag to fall to. So that's why you don't go with your emotions in trading. You have to go with your technical analysis. Oh, technical analysis in trading.
This is good.
So let me see. Live stream. Let me turn off my
What do you want to do?
sharing screen. Any questions anybody have for me? I find this very helpful. Keep up.
She said no.
Who is that boy? Are you a student? I'm trying. I mean, first time setting up live. In trading, you just have to focus on what you know. And because I've been trading now almost 7 years plus, when I rush, I've learned what works, what don't work, and because I stopped sharing my screen, I have learned. And the good thing is, let me tell you something too. I have a partner. When you have a partner that doing it with you, I mean, you will have your little ups and downs, but when you understand each other, it helps. It helps, right? So sometimes I will be seeing something and Darren, welcome Darren. When you watch most of the other videos, you will start to understand more. So keep up with the education, take notes, and you will start to understand entries and all of those different things. But when you're new to trading and you never really chat up as much as you want to chat, it will take a while for your eyes to understand this. Right? That's the double retest. So it could sell. Oh no, I'm on my chart right now, but yeah. So I know what we teaching works, but it don't happen. You have to give it time, right? And the educators that we follow, trust me, they are boss. I wish when I was starting off as a trader, I had all what they're teaching. That's why I know the value of what they're teaching in conjunction of what we know. Right? And helping people teach them while they don't understand certain things. It's helping a lot of people overcome the hurdle faster. Hey, for real? Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to share my screen again. Let's see what I'm seeing here. So this is why I wait a lot on higher time frame candles to confirm, at least the 50 minutes candle to confirm. Look at the 5 minutes already. It's already dropping again. So that's why I don't rush. See, when it's at a ceiling or floor, you need confirmation candles before you get in. Because you see this chop up and down could take your money. I've traded many chops, and when I trade on a chop, it is take my money. But when I see my confirmation is when you can make your money with high quality setups. Yeah, it retests underneath it. Did a U there. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Because
Oops, sorry. I don't want to spill the setup.
it's a 50 minutes inverted hammer. But it's still bearish on all the time frames. Forward still bearish. That's why it's giving you a retest underneath to drop. Yes, so it's going to chop in here till it's ready. That's why time of the market is very important. So like 11:45, now it's confirming. So now I'm actually waiting on the next forward candle, because when the first forward candle came out, I took this trade up, and I'll show you why. Because of these two rejection candles, I made money up, and when it was at a resistance, I took my money. Right? I missed this drop, but when I saw this candle here, I took the buy again. Right? So understand where you at when you're buying, when you're selling. That helps you don't have a big drawdown in the market. This inverted hammer goes. Yeah. Pushing down first. It could push down to retest. So I could actually make money on this trade right now if I buy. Because it's pushing down to retest first. It's still. So this is the. Let's see on the smaller time frame. Yeah. All right, let's put in a buy. Some quick pips. It's nothing. Quick points. All right. Quick points on this. Let's see what's gonna happen. So now my risk reward is very small, right? Let me get. Oh no, hold on. Copy. All right. Control V. I'm not watching the chart. I'm right now trying to set up. I'm trying to get my stop loss, set my stop loss. All right. Tell me what you're seeing. Keep me updated. It didn't copy and paste my stop loss. Hold on. Right click. Copy. Control V. All right. So there's my trade running here right now. All right. So now my entry, I'm up. So there's my entry here. I don't have a stop loss right now on it. I'm in profits right now. 2. I have it automatically set for 2. So my entry is right here. My entry is right here. And this is where it's going up. I'm $50-something in profits right now. And it's going up. Yeah, no. Let's watch the charts here. It did reverse on the 50 minutes. So you could see it did reverse there. All right, let's double tap. And quick money, watch it. I'm up $50-something right now here. And this is not the right time. So I am going to close my trade on the. Oh, it's pulling back already. All right. Oh, I think I still have one trade in. All right. So that's just to show you how quick you can make money. All right. So on the side here, I see I'm out of the trade. And that was just the 50 minutes that I took entry quick up here. I have to wait on the volume now. So that forward candle, it's gonna come out in a little bit. That's why I mean that's not really the time I trade. So I got this retest up. See how fast it went up. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I'm seeing. Let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Put out water for me now, please.
So it's like what Abdallah is someone when you have the first forward candle, make money fast, but when you trade later in there, you come on later. So if you have to come on again later, it'll be from like 12 to 1 o'clock.
All right. So it had cold water in the fridge. Had a cold water in the fridge. Okay, 9 more minutes, and the next 4 candle is gonna come out. 9 more minutes. So look, it's retesting. The line still didn't break it. It could go up again and get up here. No, it didn't break yet. Yep. Yes. So look, it come and retest again. So it come back to retest again. Oh good. Let's go. No, I'm not in yet. I'm not in with that one. I saw the 50 minutes. I could have more than take that 50 minutes again. Yeah. Yeah, and the 5 minutes out of spinning top. Bring my water if it have any in the bring my came back on the 5 minutes to give an extra test before it push up again. I was asking if you water. Not this one. Right in my bag there. Which one? Bring my bag there. No, it's okay. I wanted cold water. No. If it had any. No cold. Bring my purse now, please. All right. So now I have to wait on this next candle to come out. So now we are in no man's land. So we're going to use candles as confirmations, but this is still no man's land. This could be a flag to hit up here one more time and then fall when the fall will come out, because the forward right now is bearish. If you look at this forward, it's bearish. The forward is bearish right now, June. Seriously bearish. 1 hour, it's going to come out with an inside bar, meaning on top here. So I was like, okay, 1 hour coming out inside. But I get it 30 minutes already, pulling back again. I ain't touching nothing yet either. Look at pulling back again. So this is where patience comes in. Patience. Oh. So let me stop sharing my screen for now. Anybody have any questions? So next time I come on live, I'll come on when I know the market, the volume is coming in, because I trade at certain times. So like right now, I wouldn't even be in front of the screen. If I miss any screen trade around 10:30, 11, 15, I already made money, up 2-point-something% already, right? I will wait again until after 12 to get my next trade. I'll come back around 12:30, 12:15, 12:30 is get something. I see the candle of the confirmation. and then 1 o'clock too. So Shakila, we streaming live on both platforms right now. I'm now testing out to stream live on my TikTok. How is that going? How is that going? Why I'm not hearing you, Shakila? Check your mic.
Yeah, we're on both platforms right now.
We're on both platforms streaming live, and how is it going there?
I like how it's showing,
Mm-hmm.
right? But I like the TikTok studio better.
The TikTok Studio. I've never used that, and because of Mac, they don't want me to download TikTok Studio.
I used it today, and that's how I was able to get the flyer to the bottom and then me on top. So like when you're doing the recordings for the screen recordings, you'll be able to have that to the bottom and then you on top, and it will be clear and fit on the screen good.
Okay.
This one has a lot of space and it could be chart kind of far away now.
Is it? I could change it viewing to look like this, or if I have it on my computer, do I? Let me see. If I can do it like this too. I can do it like this, so I can have myself on the bottom on the chart. So tell me, come off, let me put on the chart and tell me how it's looking.
Hold on, let me go and check.
I'm gonna put it on the chart now. You turning you off. Let me see. She's saying the chart was looking small. How is it looking now? And now going back onto my charts. How is it looking there on your end base? Chart bigger now? Uh-huh. Hard to see? Is it too close?
It's too close now. It will zoom
All right,
up.
okay, I'm gonna change it. Tell me how is it looking. Well, I'm gonna go back now. Tell me how is it looking here. How is it looking here? Just wait, it's gonna come up. You find good? You showing good? Okay. I don't know. Shakira, no, but let me see if I change it to computer view. You're saying to change. I can't change it to computer view.
You can't change it once the live stream on, because as I was watching, like for the restream, the way how you have it would have been the best format. But for the YouTube myself, I just find it far.
No,
I see people know.
You mean for TikTok it okay? But
for TikTok it okay. It just have plenty space.
No, I shouldn't do it on the try it on the computer view, even though I am on the computer view. They will see it on their iPhone view, if they want their phones.
You play around with it and you'll find what works.
Right. It might have showed bigger on that view for me because I'm streaming here, but they will see it on their phone bigger too.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, I should have stayed on that view. But testing is everything.
Yeah, the next time we'll just fix up for the next time.
All right, so we're just testing it out and checking it out and all that. But yeah, I have 2 more minutes. I have about 30 minutes before I could confirm my next trade. 30 minutes. 30 minutes to 1 hour. It's still bearish. Tell Neil it's still bearish. Yeah. I wait on confirmations. Market is still bearish. Nothing is happening at the moment. And this time is where I wait again to get a next trade. So I guess you guys could ask, is this is small TS hard for someone new to view properly to understand? If you never go through education or the boot camp or anything, few things I'm talking the language, you wouldn't understand it until you go through more. So like a lot of my students who are already advanced, when they jump on this, they will understand what I'm looking at, what I'm seeing, and when I'm looking to buy or sell. So 1 more minute and the forward candle is going to come out. So 1 more minute. So you must know when every forward candle is going to come out. That will also let you know each forward candle. You can get a retest if it's bearish, if it's bullish. All right. You also look at that candle. So that's something I do when our next candle, depends on the time. If a 1 hour candle is coming out, I'll go look at the 1 hour candle. If a 4 hour candle is coming out, I'll go look at the 4 hour candle. So I do things like that. Oh, okay. Let me share my screen. Hold on. So let's see what we see here. That's to stop the up, I think this. Yeah, look at the 30 minutes too. 1 hour. 1 hour close inside bar and start pushing up first. Yeah. 30 minute forward bearish. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta put this here. If it don't close there, if it close below here, I'm selling. Yeah, I'm watching candle closure too. I have the 2 lines. You put a line and I put a line. I remove one of your lines. Remove one of your lines. Let me see which line. Where's my thing to delete the line? Oh. Alright. I like any cells. If it close below, I'm gonna sell. It's in no man's land right now. Me too. Smaller time frame is gonna show me. So now we have 2 inverted hammers, but it went up. Okay, so this inverted hammer sent it up. This one is for down. No, but this one is for down. It's still bearish. It stopped the up. I know. I don't care. I don't care what the color. 30 minutes. Look at the 30 minutes candle. I don't like them. That's a doji. 30 minutes doji. 30 minutes doji. Let's make some money here. Let's make some money. I know it could come down retest before it goes. Let's see it.
No, that's not.
How can I join start making money? Yeah, message them. Wrong eyes.
Send me a private message and I'll be able to send you my WhatsApp if you want to know more.
Call all the numbers, Kelly. I type it in the chat, but sometimes it is so tight.
Oh, my number is 393-6944. You could WhatsApp me. 39369. If you look at the chat, I think Shakila Supermom just put it in the chat. I like any wakes up. Around this time though. Oh yes. This is inverted 3 minutes inverted hammer now. So all this can be fake like it's trying to go down, eh? I see this happen already. And the 50 minutes is showing inverted hammer, and at 30 minutes doji. So there's no. Let's see. Yes, I'm in the middle of the call and the put line. Oh, good. This is where patience comes in. So I'm gonna put the trade on my phone. If I choose to buy or sell. So we will see. Oh God. Yeah, they could want to hit these stops, but I was like any sell. because of the no, the forward, how the forward came out, the 1 hour came out. This is a inverted a 1 hour.
Yeah.
So the 1 hour came out and retest up first. Oh,
The 1 hour is including hammer by so you come down first, then go up.
yeah, that's why coming down first.
Yeah.
That's why coming down
1 hour is
first.
inverted hammer. So you have to have a line
Oh,
for the closer you want to move that line. So
you put in a line.
that is the closer you want to there.
Whoa, you see? Look at this. Whoa,
Yeah.
look at that. You see why you don't jump in just so?
Later, guys.
Oh, good.
I'm going. I'm bye. Inverted hammers all day, every day.
I'm buying. I'm in a buy right now. I'm in a buy at the moment. So if it break above here, I'm gonna buy again. So these 250 minutes candle was the confirmation that it could go up. Right? Oh good. What is this noise? I'm in a buy. Let's see how much I'm up right now. Where did it put me in? I don't know. That's what I'm looking to see where it put me in. See when it this craziness. Oh, where did it put me in? I need to buy again. It put me in shitty. Yes. But this the only thing is I don't like this four. I don't want to trade the forward. You see? That's what this could have been a retest to drop again. Alright, hold on. Let's see what we're seeing here. So until it break above here, that's the confirmation for the buy. It's still in break above. It's volatile right now. You see this time? The time of the market volatile. But it reject the floor here. So watch this. 2 inverted hammers. I'm trading that. This. It close above here. Let's go. Let's go. If it break above here, it's going. It's going. Let's go. It needs a break. I'm not in. Yes. Let's go. Yeah, it's in. It needs a break above here. All right. Let's see what we see here. So I'm in a trade here. What you seeing there, babes? I'm not watching the chart, eh? It back at the call line. All right. All right. So I'm playing with this one for the buy. Guys, I'm playing with this one. Y'all seeing it live right now. It has to break above here. I'm in profits right now, but it needs to break above here. The 250 minutes candle, confirming it. The only thing, I can't watch the higher time frame. I have to trade this lower time frame on what I'm seeing here. Let's see what we're seeing here. Let's see what we're seeing here. So if it break, so it closed above here, and this is kind of like took the entry for this. All right, because of the 250 minutes time candle. All right. Okay, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Give me TP1. Let's go. Let's make some money today. It's coming to my trend line. Yeah, I have a trend line coming to. It's coming to the core level. Right. Let's see how much I'm up right now. I'm up $140 on this trade. 140, 116. Woo, let's go, let's go. I just want to make 5-10% for the day and I done. Somebody was asking me, can you make 5 to 10% a day? I'd say yes, especially with stock options, you can. All right, so it's hitting my core level here. I could take some off the table.
So we give it how much time after news to play. Oh yeah, that's a long thing.
Help me deal with it now, Viz, while I'm singing. I don't know if I should close any right now. I don't know what I'm seeing. Why my phone showing different from the computer?
Contracting.
Yeah, what you seeing right now? Total.
4 contracting.
Okay. Romy, take it easy.
260.
I'm not seeing that. Profits? What you seeing in profits?
44.
Oh,
6.
oh. All right, it didn't close above yet. It didn't close above. See why it's always take money at a resistance? It didn't close above yet. So, but I like how the candles closing bullish here. So I did take some off. Let's see what's gonna happen here.
How much you have to take for?
You take off any? Okay. Shit. Ma'am, I don't have access to my phone, eh? I don't know why. Hold on. I have to log in. I don't know why my phone cut me off. See why I take her that high? It didn't break the high yet. So I always take her the high because the 4 was still bearish, eh? I don't like when I see a 4 bearish, but I can't trade the 4. I can only trade the smaller time frame right now. So if it don't break here, that's a retest to come down. You hear my biz?
Yeah.
All right. All right. All right, it's still there. It's still holding. It's still holding. Huh?
Trying to push up.
How much contracts I have in still? 2?
Yeah, Romy, don't disturb us right now. Don't. I'm busy.
It could come. If this closes as rejection candle, I'm out of the trade and waiting because this is, I don't take an entry sometimes this time. I just wait till
Alright, so yeah.
take out. Out and waiting again. See that? So it just retesting there. So I might be looking for sells.
No, not yet.
Not yet. There's no confirmation yet. Yes, I'm looking. If I get a confirmation, a break below here, I'm going to take sells. I'm waiting on the candle. I'm waiting on the confirmation candle, Richard. It's still, market's still bearish, so you have to take that in. So right now it's just consolidating. So if this candle close, 2 more minutes for the 50 minutes candle to close. If it closed below, so I made money with that up there, took money, and then I had it holding. And I know the time of the entry wasn't nice too. I just wait till 12:30, 12:15. I'm liking the cells. On around 1 o'clock too. So you see, just playing here, playing in this zone. Watch your 50 minutes candle. Playing with us. Look at flipping again. See this time? This time here, guys, this way you just have to have the patience. I've seen this time, you have to wait on a break above or break below. And then a retest. That's what I'm waiting on. But I still like in these 250 minutes candle. So we had to confirm. Was that a short retest down to go up? So I'm in a consolidation. That's why you stay out. Yeah, that's a next retest down there now. This is lying it can't. I know. Let's see what we're gonna get. Look at it again. So that was our next retest there to that line. Which time frame? 5 minutes? Yeah, 5 minutes of a hangman now. See this consolidation? Just call this madness. Madness. That's what we call it. Madness. Which candle? Oh, that 50 minutes candle close above. See this? It close above here. Above the 2. Oh, yeah, that's a nice entry there. Potentially. What I like any 250 minutes candle for it to go up. I should have buy on that retest there. Yeah, boy. Around this time, it's just play. But if you pay a stop loss behind, even if it's playing, it shouldn't break a certain point. I would have my stop loss right behind here. That was a nice entry again. I missed that entry there now. So I got in before. Now it come back again. And it buying again. All right, I'm getting in there. Yeah, it confirming. You see this? So it should break out, come back and retest. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a breakout. Let's see if we're gonna get a breakout. See this here, but it's easy higher, low up trading too. So let's go. I know. I see you put into. Who's that? Yeah, but it could break out. 1 o'clock will give you a next retest, and then it go again. Let's see what we get in here. Yeah, I could get on my phone. You like how it closed?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's how I showed it. It's like below heavy stops. And now that was the confirmation. It's like the time not to sell, essentially. Time. Come on, back. Time, fast.
Spinning top, only 3 minutes. Like that. Look at the 3 minutes rejection candle too. Give us it on our first live streaming today. Come on. Come on, give us it. Let's go. I did see the time. They see the 5 minutes. That's why I still was looking for buys. All right. Give me it. I'm in the trade at the moment. I'm going to show you guys while Richard pay attention to the. All right. I'm in this trade. If I go to my chart here, copy. Oh, hold on.
You want to take in someone?
Yeah, hold on.
201.
I want to copy the contract.
201 or 51.
I don't know. You gotta watch your base. Control V. We're in the trade, and look, once you're in the trade, the money comes up here. Look, my entry was here, so I'm up. Money market up here, up $100 and something already. All right, and this is an aggressive entry I took again, right? Because it's back at my trend line. I have a trend line right there where it's hitting with. But it should continue. It will continue. It will continue. It's just the time of the market. Time of the market. I have a trend line right there hitting.
You know what I'm trying to put in that numerals of 246.
You lie.
Yeah, I do one.
You lie.
Something.
Oh, so you can't edit the 1 to 1? So I have to go back to 1 contract? You could take one take it there, some there. That's a flag there. Yes. So I'm up $100 something again. It's like a flag, yeah? You taking? Richard, you take? You taking?
No, I'm trying to do the check.
Oh, hold on, guys. I'm trying to deal with the thing. All right. Can I remove? All right, so I just take money there again with that push up. It could be a flag because I need it to break here. All right, it pushing good. So I took money there again. Okay. Once it break here, it's going to go up and break above. Let's see where we at. Okay, my entry. I'm still lucky. So how do you know I'm still in the trade? This position in here. Market's in profit. My position is down here. The trade is in profit. So there's my entry down here. This is how much I'm up right now. On the side here shows you. Right on the side here. Shows you the money. It's going, it's going. So I have to change it back to 1 contract. Okay, I'm on the active trader. So you want me to sell 1 right now? Let's take a profit right here. I'm out. Did it take 1? Check it and see. All right. So I just took money again there. I'm holding 1 contract right now. Just 1. 1 contract because of this resistance. It need to confirm that it's breaking through here. It could be. What's that? Okay, so if I want to stop profit my entry, I can put sell here. I have it stop profit, so don't take me out. No negative. Yeah, the real trading happen yet, guys. All this time here is still play. Still play. So I protect myself all the time with my trades. It's still playing. But because of the 250 minutes candle, and I was watching how it's holding here, that's how I could keep getting in back in on this retest, and it closed bullish there. So that's how. And you see how fast you can make money in and out? The 1 hour was an inverted hammer. Look at the 1 hour. So it was an inverted hammer. All right, let's see what we get here. I just giving it time to move, and I will get back in if it takes me out. Huh? Don't stop profit it? Why? You want to risk something on this trade? I could remove it. No, I remove it down. I pull it down. I can remove the stop loss, so if you want to manually close it. And then remove the stop loss. So you can manually close it yourself. All right. So that's why I like the active trade. I can do a lot of things. If I just want to sell, get out the trade, I could get out, right? I'm just holding one contract right now. I took profits again. See, the inverted, what, 15 minutes inverted hammer there? That could be a fake candle. It at my trend line right now, literally at the trend line. So I could take money again and just be out of the trade and wait for the right trade.
Yeah.
So because of this candle here, I'm taking my profits and I'm gonna wait again, and that's where candles teach you when to come out and once you're at a support or resistance line. Let's see what we get. Let's see what's happening here. Look at this. So all of my entries should have been on these retests, confirmation retest there. My entries was more high up, so that's why I will take profits. If I had an entry down here lower, I might have stopped profit and at least hold one. But I didn't get, see how it's right? I know my entries were here. That's why I will take it out if it didn't break. If I had an entry down here, I would have more than stop profit one. So that's something that I pay attention to know where's my entry. If I don't have a confirmation of break and retest, I will not hold. Once I'm in profits and I see in money, I will just take and wait for more confirmation. Let's see what's happening here. Next time I go live, yeah, buys looking nice. But you will get an entry. That's one thing I'll tell you. Don't FOMO, because you needed the confirmation that it break above here. It needs to break above here to confirm it's buying. So I was taking aggressive entries, which is okay. Yeah, the two inverted hammers. Yeah. Right here, that 1 hour when it came out. Take. Oh yes. I hope you guys enjoying this. First time Millionaire Kelly trading live with you all. All right, so I'm still waiting on a setup there.
Why are you sending out email?
Shakila. All right, watch this. Look at the breakout.
Yeah.
I hope you're learning. See what I was watching?
I find the live stream going real good.
It going good?
Yeah.
All right.
It looking good on the TikTok. I know I never know. It looking good on the TikTok.
Most people be on the TikTok. Most people don't have my YouTube channel yet.
Okay.
See the breakout? I know it, all display. The entry.
No, we put up the QR code so that I could scan it to get to your website.
Yeah, you could. You could. All right, there's the break here. It's breaking in here.
Break and close. I don't break out and retest it. Is that line for it?
Which line?
Something like
Oh, that's the 1 hour. So where it was, boy? This was the 1 hour candle to show that the break above it. That it engulf it.
Right.
Whoa, 30 minutes close. Bullish. See that there? That 30 minutes candle. I can take that retest on that 30 minutes there. 50 minutes bullish. That's the retest for it to go up. Watch your 50 minutes, 30 minutes, everything. This is aggressive. Because of now I'm want to get back into the trade. I'm gonna get back in on this retest here. This break on retest here. Huh? This break and retest, I'm gonna get in there. Hmm?
Are you sad?
Let me go down a smaller time frame to confirm it's rejecting. I have to wait on a candle. I didn't get in yet because of this rejection candle. But the 30 minutes is showing it this. Bullish candle out. Watching 30 minutes. Right, so it's breaking and it's retesting there. So I'm getting in there. All right, so you see why I took my money at this trend line. This purple line. So it could come and retest anywhere around this zone here. Anywhere around this zone. Yes, on top of the core line too.
So you're trying to get a break and close straight in. 50-minute break and close. That break and retest. Then have to make our way out, come all the way back.
All right, so watch it. So I took this retest here, break and retest here.
Alright.
2 minutes retest. No, this is a so it broke above here, it retested here. There. Let's see. It's at a resistance here, so it needs to break out of here. Let's see what we're gonna get. I need a confirmation card. I'm in profits. I need this candle to flip. Yes, I got it when I pushed down. So if this candle flip, that's gonna be good. So this candle need to flip. Watch out, this candle. That candle need to flip. If it flips, that's nice. Yes, you see that? You see that? Ooh. It needs to break out though. It's still holding this line. Oh, but I'm in profits. So you see how I got my entry to stay in profits? I got that entry in there. Watch out that. Oh, good. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. So watch. I'm back in the trade again. Here. Copy. All right.
You want to come in finally?
Control V.
Come on.
All right. Let's see how much I'm up. Look, I got my entry there. I'm up $80-something already. All right. Oh, I'll do it from the active trader right there. So I'm taking, look, TP1 is here. See that retest? This was the retest I took. Retest, and it's going. So this should go breakout first and come back and retest. So this is the first breakout. I could close one, and that's why I like when I got to get certain entries. I could close one, sell. I'm out of one trade already. See how fast? You see how fast you can make $100 to even $50 to $100 easy, easy. Once you know your technical analysis, and this is it's in breakout still, eh? It's still in breakout because I wanted to break above here now. Still need to break above here. This reminds me of a flag right now. Still remind me of a flag. Is it on? Time of the market. Time of the market. Guys, 1:30 is when the volume is kicking. So I might get a retest 1:30. But because of how the 50 minutes came out bearish first, right? The 50 minutes came out and started retesting down. I took the retest under here, and that's how I take. That's how I got that trade. Sorry,
Someone sang it, I guess, Kelly.
Somebody sent me a gift for thank you. Good. Just loving it. Loving it. And trading, TP1 smash. Look, my TP1 smash there. So I took that retest. Look how fast. That 150 minutes in and out. Now it's going up 4% for the day and going. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm up. Where's the market? No. I'm my active trader base. I'm checking the active trader. I'm up on this one trade because I took one profit already, but it's going up $66. Let's go. You see that nice retest here? God, I'm loving it because I saw it was going to break through this trend line. And I have a trend line. All right. So it will come back and retest because this is the first breakout. So I could take profits on that push up there. All right, sell. Let's get out of that trade. All right. More money bagged. See, I was putting to bag money. So it was at TP1. I bagged. Nice. Trading, you have to be quick on the draw. Especially when you do it like that. That's not my entry should have, that's advanced trading there. Your entry should have been down here because of the 250-minute candle. And you wait. And now we could have made that thing. Nice. See? TP1 hit out of the trade. See why you come out of the trade? I had to know that this was an extra retest. I didn't get in on that retest. And then what happened is this 5 minutes, look how fast the 5 minutes flip. So fast the 5 minutes flip on me to get in that entry. Yeah, this was the trade. That 5 minutes flip fast on me. So I just had to take these retests, one up and then our next retest back up. 5 minutes. So when you don't get in quick enough, you have to know to take the other retest and be in and out of the trade. Because that didn't give me that 5 minutes. All right, so I'm up 4%, 300 US for the day. What's anybody could $300 for the day. And I ain't do nothing yet because I ain't catch a move yet. This is just scalping right now. This is what I call scalping in the market. Scalping, it's looking like a flag still. It could be a double top here to fall. Because of the 4-hour candle. If you look at the 4-hour candle, it's still bearish. Watch this. So this could have been a retest, Richard. If you look at the previous 4-hour candle, it could have been a retest. Everything's still bearish. Yeah, the last 4 was bearish.
This 4 could close as the inside bar, and then it will be nice.
Let's see if we get a confirmation candle for a sell.
You want to always buy confirmation.
Yes.
On the support.
Let's see what we get here. 1 o'clock is the next trade. 1:30. It's looking like a flag for me right now. But it's still looking like a flag. Hold on, guys. You know, people has come on live to talk about all kind of.
Kelly, somebody says have plenty fake pages, but you need to do more live stream.
I know there's a lot of fake pages. And you know, I got a cut. I don't want to say customer. I got somebody message me. And I'm gonna talk about this on the live. I don't trade for you. I teach you the skill. If you send money to account, and it's not even my name is Kelly, it's Kellyanne. And you send in, I mean, a red flag is sending an account to somebody else named Sheldon, sending money to an account that not even in a different name. That should be a red flag immediately for a lot of y'all. Don't just rush to invest. And you know, a lot of these scammers are telling people, I'll trade for you, our platform works, and within 24 to 48 hours, if you invest 2,000 US, you'll get this amount. Guys, no trader could promise you any amount. And secondly, you see, that's where all these scams is coming, where, or you know, when people say they will trade for you and they run away with your money. So learn the skill yourself and trade for yourself. And that's what I'm teaching you. I don't trade for you. Just remind me of a flag right now. Still bearish. So push up 1, 2, which I seen like a flag. Liking it to confirm a sell. Almost 1 o'clock. So let's see. Let's make some more money before the day out. Come back. You see how come back and close this, engulf this candle here? That's a sign it could sell. It could sell. I'm liking it back under 2. Let's and it will confirm it for me, you know. I don't have to just rush it. All right, let's let the market confirm it. I'm seeing it like a flag. So all this was a flag I was making money on. Flag to drop. You will learn that in trading. What's a flag? For it to fall. All right. Didn't break any highs. So let's see. All right. How much more I have to trade? 2,000. All right. And this is the time I will come back to the chart. See, I like in the sell. You see, same thing I say, no, I like in the sell. Same thing as I'll tell my husband there. The sell. So it's remind me of a flag. If it come back, it didn't have no, it only had the spinning top up there, and then it engulfed the 5 minutes. It didn't have no 50 minutes yet. All right, so let the candle. It reminds me of a flag right now, and I have my trend line. So you see, I have it. Yeah, forward bearish. If I trade it forward, all hours are retest. All hours are retest. So the volume will come in. It comes in around 1. See, now 115, 130, and it was confirm the market for you. So all this was like a flag. So up, down, up, down. We have 50. The next 50 minutes candle is going to come out. If it come out bearish here, yeah, if it close below here. Where you put it? I have to refresh my screen. Oh, I seen it. 1 hour. Yes, dotted line. I seen the dotted line. So once it closed below here,
which is still before her puts.
Still before her puts. But look at the 50 minutes now. See now 50 minutes candle, bearish. 15, and it closed below my trend line now. It just retested the trend line. So I could take an aggressive entry there. Yeah, but it would drop before the 1 o'clock. Yeah, come right down 100%. So that's something I watch. So if that was a flag, all right. Yeah, this was my trend line was holding. Trend line was holding. If it want to do a show, like it come back and touch here if it choose to. I'm not in the trade yet. All right. I'm not in the trade yet. I'm still waiting, but I like how the 50 minutes close below now. All right. Your entries has to be on point, especially with stock options. So your drawdown, that's one thing I'll teach you. Your drawdown should be less. You shouldn't be seeing much negative at all once your entry on point. All right. Not there? No, that won't be the closure. The 50 minutes. The 50 minutes close. And this is where even this 50 minutes could engulf if it wants to go up, but I'm watching it as a flag right now. But the candles has to confirm for me before I get in this trade. Actually, I like the trade. I'm not liking it all flagging. I like flags. No trade. No trade. Yes, it did a higher low. So you see this higher low. But this, if it do a higher, if it do a lower high now, that's where I will confirm that it's coming down. If it don't go. So you came back and retest here. I see it where I took it, yes. It holding there now. I seen it. But if there's a flag, because the forward is telling me that it's bearish right now, so my eyes should all stay. Yeah. So, guys, trading is patience. It's patience. You get paid for more patience than jumping in and out of trades. If a candle confirm it for me, remove all that, please. Thanks. I see the 50 minutes retesting under. Let's see what we get in. This is not the time you get your entry. Entry is after 1 o'clock. All this is play, and I'm seeing bears right now. My eyes, I'm watching bears. So I'm looking for sells unless it breaks above, then I'm buying. Yeah, bears. I know, but if you watch the other time frames, it's still under. It's still under on the bigger time frame. So 1 hour still bullish up here. This is a bullish candle out. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Not bullish yet. This could be a retest. I take aggressive entries like that. Like that. All right. But my husband, the rich, he don't take trades like that. So that's the next thing. You'll find your trading style. You will always trade different. Even if you're trading as a couple, you still will find your trading style. Okay. We trade completely different still today. So you see how I got that 50 minutes retest down, made that money up? That's a different trading style. He don't trade like that. He doesn't trade like that. So, I mean, you will find your own trading style. But what have made me more profits or made me profitable today is patience. Not just jumping into. The more patience I have, the more profits I make. So there's no rejection candle right now on the smaller time frame. So we will make some money soon again. It's coming closer to 1 o'clock. Trust me, we're gonna find a trade. 115, 130, we're gonna get a trade. Let's see what we're gonna get.
What's the charge of full
Mhm.
49 and you're in charge of 100? So how do I make sense of this? Seems like that people to upgrade to the 100 CD package.
And one thing I recognize when you are wrong, especially in trading, this could have been a double bottom. When you're wrong in trading or in a trade, you come out fast. You actually make your money much faster when you find the right trade. So sometimes I'm out the trade fast and I'm just waiting again if I'm wrong. Right? So you see why I didn't jump in or think that's a shoulder. Right? So I didn't take that. A double bottom here again. So we just have to wait on a candle confirmation to get in this trade here. So you see this consolidation? Oof, I don't like to trade in consolidation. I really don't. I mean, the last two trades, one of the trades I took in was an aggressive trade to show you all. I just scalping and I knew it was an aggressive trade. So that's why I took my money fast, in and out. So I get scalp if I choose. But when I know the time of the market too, when the volume is coming in, I know when to hold my trade. So, knowledge is the key. Knowledge and being around the right environment. Oh, we have a copy and paste service too called Plutus, right? I mean, I tell people copy and paste trading is okay, but if you don't take it with even your confirmations, right? And so goal here. So Plutus sent Plutus sent a trade here, right? And Plutus took a loss earlier today. And this is why I teach people, don't just copy and paste trades. Yes, when they send a signal, you could get a better entry. So on the 5 minutes, Plutus was trying to buy it. Yeah. So Plutus was trying to buy it somewhere here, and it was high up here, and it was bearish. So it was coming down. It was bearish. So until it did this candle on the 15 minutes here, you see this hammer here? So until it broke above this 50 minutes rejection candle and it retests, and you see these rejection candles, look at it now, it started to go up. So I got the entry on the first lower high here on the 5 minutes. So my husband got in there, right? The Richie Rich. He got in here and now he's in profit. So he could stop profit. So we teach you entries. So that will help you with your drawdowns. You see that drawdown? Guys, the sharper you could get, the better it is. So you draw down. And that's why I like what we're teaching. Wait, is the market shooting up here? Hold on, I'm back. Let me get back to my QQQ. You see? My husband is distracting me. All right, so now more confirmations are coming in. All right? Confirmations. That's where we trade. It's coming to 1 o'clock. So let's get those confirmations. See that? It come back again. It come back again here in the zone. All right. Came back here. Yeah, where's the previous 5 minutes candles? Yeah, box it for me now. On my charter. That was the previous 5 minutes. All right, good. So it's breaking my trend line now. See how much time I come back? So when taking money is important too, because it didn't confirm yet for me. And I know it's because of the time of the market too. So even if I did enter here and I didn't take my money here, I enter with, this was the 50 minutes candle. When I took this retest down and I took my money here, look how it came back again. And that's what is tired of people. And when you see money and then go back negative, you see money and then go back negative. Right? So it's always good to take money. Don't be greedy. That's one thing. Even if the market go, I mean, I try not to FOMO. Sometimes I use FOMO. We call it FOMO, missing out, fear of missing out. So I have been practicing that, not to have that fear of missing out, because you'll always get a trade. So, and one thing that's helped me be profitable too is when I see money. When I see money, I take all, because the 5 minutes break above, but that no, I'm waiting time of the market. Yes, I'm waiting on the time of the market now. Still only 5 more minutes for the next 1 hour candle to come out. But look how much up and down, up and down. Oh, tiring. 30 minutes going to close with a spinning top, which is nice. It could get a next retest, and then we buy again. All right, so watch this here. Break and retest, break and retest. I want a break and a retest again. All right, so this was the first. All right, had break and retest. Look, break and retest here. All right. Now look when it going. See that? Watch, break and retest. So this was my first break and retest. It came back, hit it twice. Break, retest. It hit it once, then came back again, break, and break there again. All right. So now I'm drawing my arrows. So I'm seeing stairs right now. It's going up. That's why I'm not, even though I was saying, okay, I could look for cells. It did not break down below here. So that's why I have to have that patience. Guys, join Millionaire Kelly, trade live, see why we make money and why our education is so important. Plugging into the right leadership or the right guidance is what's going to make you successful in this financial market. And
Kelly, I want to know if you just do mentorship and how to get you as a mentor.
Guys, just sign up. I'm told, I mean, Shakila could give you the experience. Shakila saw somebody else online, contacted someone else, and just by joining the group, she saw my husband and myself, and she started to plug into us. And I guess she could tell you her own experience. It's not because once you come into our business and you're through us, and you come into the community, right? You come into the community, we are going to support you and help you. But just know it's not an overnight success. When you come in the first month, most likely you're going to be confused. The people who are having success and understanding what we are teaching here shows up to the in-person classes. They plug into our Friday trainings. They plug into even my Tuesday trainings. I have a private Tuesday class. They watch the recording videos. They take the education serious. The people who take the education serious and come and don't ask me how much can I make within 1 month, they come in and I tell them, I say, listen, even if you don't make a cent in the first 3 months or 4 months, I know when you understand what I'm teaching here, you're going to make back your money within the first month or 2. And I have customers that already did that. I have a gentleman, a couple, got started end of December, and they started to take the education very serious. Let me tell you guys, he didn't even trade live the first 3 months. The 4th month, coming on the end of the 4th month into the 5th month is when he went live, but he was in paper account. We call it paper account, demo account. Live, market, but fake money. When he practiced what we were teaching with Jessica classes, and he showed up to every training that we have, every in-person class, trust me, they are there. They were calling my husband almost, when they first joined, the first month was confusing for them, right? But they were plugging in, they would ask questions, they would message in the group. They would say, what is this, right? They would plug into every training classes that we have. Now today, he's not even live, I think a month. A month is now going to hit for him being live in trading stock options. He's making at least 200 to 500 every week now. I think it might have been, it might increase, but within 1 month, 1 month trading live, he already made back his subscription and in profits already. seeing profits. And that's learning the skill, taking his own trades, taking the setups that we send, understanding when to get in. He's seeing money every time he trade live. And that's what I love. I'm seeing him being consistent. Right? I even have people trading full-time now after 1 year trading with us. Somebody went full-time, leave their permanent job and trading full-time now, a full-time trader. I can't wait to hear more people going full-time trading. And she's making at least $1,000 a week to $2,000. No. I don't make any income claims. I'm not making any income claims, but I'm telling you what they did. They plug into us. They ask questions. They come out the in-person classes. They watch the recorded videos, but they stay close to us. They ask questions. They think long term. They didn't just come in for 1 month. And they paid for the education. They didn't pay the market first. They paid for the education. They paid for the guidance. And now they could see the benefits of it, right? Or they're reaping the benefits. Let me just put it that way. So the people who come in here and, expect success within 1 month, remember, everybody learning curve is different. If you know my story, it took me 5 years. All right, this is a spinning top on the 30 minutes. You see 30 minutes, Richard? They're bullish, yes. It is bullish. It is bullish. I'm hoping that the 30 minutes get my retest down because it break above now. It's bullish on it 1 hour. All right. 1 o'clock now, so let me pay attention, guys. I'm paying attention. Let me focus on my thing. So, I mean, I understand the value you're bringing because I failed forward for 5 years and I know what we teach works, but it's not going to happen overnight. You have to know I'm trading stock option market. I'm trading in stock option or options, right? But whatever we teach, you could trade in any market to know. That's the mistake a lot of people don't understand in trading. Once you understand analysis, once you could do breakdown, support, resistance, you understand your entries, you understand why are you getting in a trade, what you look for, you could trade any market. You could trade the Forex market, you could trade the crypto market, you could trade the stock option market. All right? What I've noticed with the stock option market, it's more profitable than the Forex. The Forex market, you have to wait on the one hour and 4 hour yes, you have to wait on the 1 hour and the 4 hour market and give the market more time. Like on the stock option market, what I've noticed is I could trade on the 5 minutes and the 50 minutes, catch a 5 minutes and 50 minutes move, and I'm seeing hundreds of dollars easy, quick, in and out. So that's what I'm liking with this, and I'm getting more and more people, students, seeing that too. Because they could start with a $500 account, and every week, once they understand entries, they understand how to get in, they go through the education, they're seeing at least 100 to 200 a week. And that's just trading maybe twice for the week or 3 times for the week. And you're seeing that. That is very good because with Forex, without over leveraging, it takes time to understand that. All right, it takes time to actually give the market that time in the Forex market to see the money without over leveraging. And when the stock option market, people not over leveraging, and they're seeing the money quick. And they can be in and out. They know when to come to the market. And that's what I was telling you guys. All that time, around 12, 11 something, I knew the market was just consolidating. Even though I scalped the market, it's only because of my experience. All right?
The news came out. We can kind of predict the news in 2 and 15 minutes.
Oh, news came out, and look, yeah, when news came out at 12.
At 11:45, who's talking? Some big news event.
Some news came out, and I do care about news, guys. Once you understand the market, news is just send the market where it have to go. So never get afraid of news, and that's what we teach you to. All right, this market is just, it's bullish on the 1 hour, but that's okay. If it close,
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I see in that now. Is that a flag to come down now?
Double top at that point.
Mm-hmm. It's rejecting up there.
Yes. Won't hold the trade. We'll wait. It just back in is with double tapping it at the right time. That's spinning from the sell. Hey, might take a sell.
Could I stick a sell up there? Yes, 2 spinning tops.
Put one. See what happens. So, let's see good. That was a go.
Go ahead, Navis. You can do it. Yeah, that's what you see there. Mhm. Is that a 30 minutes inverted hammer? Was she 30 minutes?
Yes.
Sell now. Please sell. All right, I'm taking a sell. Taking a sell right now in the market.
Small risk.
Small risk. My stop loss is going to go behind. Right? 2 contracts I'm in because of the 30 minutes hangman here, plus the 2 5-minute spinning top here. So I'm getting in the sell right now. All right. So I'm taking a sell here. Let's see. All right. I could go to my chart so you guys could see. Let me see. So I took a sell here. Let's copy. Control V. Oh. If it hold the call, that's the only thing I need to pay attention to. If it hold this call line here. This is aggressive entry again. All right, because the 1 hour is still bullish, but I can't trade the 1 hour. I just have to trade the smaller time frames to get my trade. If it breaks above, I'm out of the trade, right? But I'm giving the market time. If it breaks down, so it needs to break down. Here, this could be a fake candle I have where it needs to break below here. All right. My stop loss will be right behind here, so it should not break above there. All right. Manually, I will manually close. You just hold, have it there. I will man, or I can manually close it. No matter. I know it's above the call line I have there, but let's give it time. It now come out. The 1 hour now come out. All right, I'm trading what I'm seeing. The market flag. All right. If this is a 30 minutes inverted hammer, it will come back. If it's not, it will go up. It's a fake candle. Oh, good. I don't like this 2 minutes I'm seeing already. That 2 minutes candle, very shitty. That 2 minutes candle. No, just, let me see. Yeah, I'm out the trade for now. It needs to break below this purple line I have here. Once it break and close below, I'm going to enter back a trade. Right now, it's still above this buy for me. All right. So I took a small loss there, and that's why I showed y'all. You know, it's important. $30. $30 loss. I know when to get in and out of a trade quick. All right. But I'm still liking the sales. It needs to confirm. If this 50 minutes close as a rejection candle here, I'm going to get in. How much more minutes we have for it to confirm? So all that could have just been a retest up again. Yes, could have been a retest up again. Yes. See, it's gonna close below. It's because of the 30-minute candle, eh? It didn't close yet. 50 minutes going to close just now, but I was trading the 30-minute candle and the two 50-minute rejection candle. Yeah, seeing three up. Sell. Wait. Wait, wait. I need candle closure. I ain't sell yet. Let this candle confirm for me. I need this candle to confirm. But the 30-minute showing it. I like, yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah. Once this candle closes below here again, I'm selling. Yeah, you see? I'm in the trade. Let's go. I'm in this trade now. So this is where you have to be on the trigger. When to get in, when to get out. I'm in the trade. I'm thinking to get the next 2 entries in. Hold on. I will confirm that. So I'm in the trade with 2 contracts right now. I'm selling. But the 50 minutes ain't closed yet, eh? So let's see what we're getting here. I should be up some money. All right, so now we have a 3 minutes close below, 2 minutes closing below. So if I get retest, I'm gonna sell again. Let me see how much. Okay, I have enough to sell. So this is the time I'll make. So this is the time I'll come back to trade again. All right. I'm waiting for the 50 minutes to give me a closure, but I'm trading the 30 minutes, which is below right now. I'm in profits right now. See, I didn't get an next entry in though. Oh, I want the 50 minutes to close though. See, sometimes when you do, you just move away. So I had to trade these 2 candles. These 3 candles are 3 5-minute candles. So good. Nice. And then the 30 minutes was confirming too. I'm in the trade. I didn't get more in right now. If I do get a next proper retest, I'll get more. Let's see how the forward. Let me see how the forward close. Yes, I know. Yeah, I seen a double top too. I seen a double top and I seen rejections. It did close bearish on the bigger time frame. So that's what I'm doing.
5 minutes. 1 hour, quick calm down. 50 minutes. Yeah.
1 more minute for the 50 minutes candle. 1 more minute for the 50 minutes candle, and it's bearish. See, it's bearish. I didn't get in more. I need to get in more. Sometimes, see, oh, good. Let's go. Let's see how much am I up. I need to get this contract. Oh, see how simple that is? Patience pays. Even though I came out a little too premature, even though I had my stop loss behind. All right. Oh. All right, it needs to break down to confirm that it's bearish on the bigger time frame. All right. What are we getting here? 15 minutes closing below here. All right, 15 minutes below. I have to make sure this is not just a retest. It's going to come down. But I'm in profits, and that's a good thing.
What? Wait for retest.
Yeah.
You know it's going to put up now.
Yeah, but don't be in and out because contrast. It bearish only 5 minutes right now. That's your test up on the. That's your test up under the 2.
Sorry, I don't understand.
What happened there? All right. All right. Is that a 50-minute retest for it to keep falling? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Let's go. All right. That's where patience comes in. This is when the volume will come in the market. All right. So I got a higher entry. I can still wait more for more confirmation. For the 1 hour, if you look at it, it's still bullish. But this could come and engulf because it's still bearish right now. Right? So I don't, oh God, don't reject there now. Is this a rejection here now? Oh, let's see. I want this to come down and start to break and make lower lows. See, I have lines here. If this is stairs, it's still climbing, it will go up. But if it starts to break below, that's a good sign for me to hold my trade. So I'm going to take a contract when it comes to the floor here. All right. It's got, so it should come down. All right. I'm in profits. Let's see what we've seen here. All right. All right. The market quite up here. So I'm on 50 something with 2 contracts and I could close 1. So that's 50 something by 2. All right. So it reject. Up there, it did not go up. So it should continue down after 1 o'clock. Let's see what's going to happen. Is this just a retest? If I see a rejection candle, I'm going to keep my eye very. What happened there? What is the kids doing? All right, see? Patience pays. Patient pays. Let's go, Melania Kelly. All right, I'm in profits. Let's go. Yes, let's go. See why? Guys, I could take 1 right now and stop profit the rest. I'm closing 1 contract. All right, just made some money there again. Let me stop profit now. How do I do that? I come down here. If I click sell, I'm going to lose $1 if it comes back and take me out. Why is it quite up there though?
All right, so we touch 5%.
So I touch 5% for the day. And I could be done and walk away. But you still could get a trade at 130. Let it run. It's not going to run. So let's see if it runs. I'm risk-free in my trade. I like to be risk-free as fast as I could. So, all right. I mean, you'll see how I get my entries. Sharp, I'm in. I could get into profits. I did kind of prematurely close this one, but I got back in quick. So you see how fast I can make back. Even though I took a $30 loss, I was up 100 and something already getting back in. All right, so it needs to break down. To confirm it's coming down. This is where the patience comes in. So this 30 minutes candle was my confirmation to sell with the 5 minutes. So I knew the 1 hour could have come back and retest. All right, so it's under my zone. The candles confirm it. So that's why it was taking sells. It did not break above. Guys, look at this day. Consolidation. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. If it confirm even more, I'm going to gain more contracts. Right? And I something around 150. Okay, 130. So when you join, you learn it in back testing too. All right. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy this live. You all saw me trade live, right? It's not no flukes. I know what I'm doing. We teach you what we know what works, and you're learning from top educators like Jessica Ramos. She has helped a lot of people become 6-figure earners and 7-figure earners, 5 and 6-figure earners in less than a year, right? And I know she just made me even become sharper in what I do. And that's why I'm taking this education so serious. Good. How much are we up right now? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So the market is up here and it's going. It's going. It's going. I'm stop profit. So this is my stop profit here. And the market is going. Let's make that money now. Watch me trade live. Now it's confirming. If it breaks down below, now it's hitting the resistance here.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right, I could take my money there now. Do you see that resistance there? It didn't break. Support, sorry. Support. It's hitting my support line there. So I could take money and wait till it confirms that it's breaking down, because the 1 hour is still bullish for me so right now. It needs to confirm. There's no confirmation of this consolidation, but it should come down because it reject. Up there, it should come down. It should come down. The shit was nice today. All right, if this break down below, I'm gonna get in more again. So I took this trade, the entry was up here. Y'all see market is coming down. Yeah, man, I didn't take it here. If it breaks below, that's oh shucks, I did something. I remove a line. If it breaks below, that's good confirmation. Oh, I needed to break here. It's holding here. I could come out and wait again, and that's how I trade and make my money every day. Normally, if it want to break, it should have continued. And you'll see my trend line is here. It's hitting my trend line. So you see? What all? I make money though. So I don't normally sit down and trade all this time. I will come back to the chart around 12:30. I'll come back to the chart and then let it show me what to doing around 1 o'clock. And that is the time I'll come back to get a next trade. So I made my money this morning, and then all this chop, I would not be in this. I would have come back around this time. Look, 12 something. You see, 12:55 and watch the chart. So 12:30 is when I come back to the chart and be able to see a next trade. But I was live earlier and I said, you know what, let me just stay and teach you guys some stuff I know and why we know what works. And stay away from scams. You see, when you have to put your money or give somebody else your money.
Kelly, I just make a cool 100 trading with your girl.
Oh, nice. See? Oh, so you sell when I tell you I was selling?
Yes.
Good. Yeah, that's why I want to trade live with some of my students, so they'll see when I'm getting in a trade and what we look for. All right, so everybody can make money too. But now it's holding there. I could take my money. It didn't break, so let me take my profits. And if it confirm, I could take my money. I'm happy. I'm 5% for the day. I'm out. Oh, I can't close. I need to close. Hold on. I have a stop loss. Why is the stop loss not removing? All right, now remove. So, all right, I'm on my trade until it confirm for me. All right, so 5% for the day, 400 and something US. All right. Let's see why it's important. Know where your support or resistance lying out. So it didn't break this line for me. So I'm out. All right, I think I'm done for the live for now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. First time Millionaire Kelly came on live, trading live. Y'all can see what we know we're doing, we're talking about, and why people are succeeding in 3-4 months with the education that we are teaching. So if you want to know more, message me privately, or I did put my number, and we could help you change your life with learning a skill that nobody could take from you. All right, guys, bye for now.